Hi, what's up? Sorry, I have not made a video in over a month, I'm pretty sure, but I have excuses, okay? So today I want to talk about New Year's resolutions, but mostly I want to focus on the reasons why I do not make New Year's resolutions. I'm gonna go through the top 10 New Year's resolutions that people make and probably fail while they're at it. Here we go. Number 1. Lose weight. Let me show you a brief reason why this is not going to work for me. I would have to get rid of this entire box of candy I got for Christmas. It includes way too many Skinny Cow bars, Sour Patch Kids, an entire box of sour gummy bears, Skittles, gum, these necklace things that everybody loves when they're like 5, and more. And in order for me to lose weight, I'm pretty sure I'd have to ditch this. And let me tell you, that is not going to happen. Number 2 is get organized. If you saw my binders for my classes, you would see why this would never work for me. I am the most unorganized person ever. I literally just shove all my papers in a folder or a notebook and then call it a day. Number 3 is spend less and save more. I don't really have a job, so I don't really have a ton of money to save in the first place, so I don't really think this even applies to me. Whatever. Number 4 is enjoy life to the fullest. I am usually what people consider to be negative Nancy. It's not that I'm a negative person per se, I'm just very realistic. So the things I decide to do, I look at it from a realistic point of view, and that typically makes me seem very negative about most situations. So based on my personality, I don't really think that I can really accomplish this goal. Number 5 is staying fit and healthy. Let me tell you, once I start running, I can do it for about 2 seconds before I just flop over because all I do is sit on the computer all day. So that wouldn't really work out. Number 6 is learn something exciting. I'm not really sure what I would learn that's exciting. Because, seriously, the things that are exciting to me are completely lame to everyone else, so I don't really know what I would do to accomplish this goal. Number 7 is quit smoking. I don't smoke, nor is it legal for me to smoke, so this doesn't exactly apply to me. Thankfully. Number 8 is help people with their dreams. Number 9 is fall in love. This goal or resolution really bothers me. Mostly because it's not like just because your goal is to fall in love that you have any control over that. Don't make that your resolution. Just see what happens, and if you find someone, good for you. If not, oh well. Like, it's not a big deal. You'll be okay. Last but not least, number 10 is to spend time with family. Sorry guys, but I'm pretty sure that would cut into my YouTubing, blogging, and doing absolutely nothing time. So I would probably fail that quite miserably. Those are all the reasons why I would fail at the most common goals in the first place. To leave off, this same website said that only 8% of people successfully achieve their New Year's resolutions. And let me tell you, even if I actually tried to and believed in New Year's resolutions, I would definitely be a part of that 92% that fail miserably. Leave a comment or video response down below telling me if you make New Year's resolutions, or if you're like me and find them to be kind of pointless because you don't think you'll accomplish it anyway. See you all soon with my next video, and I hope you appreciated the fact that this video wasn't terrible iPhone quality. Bye!